So we made it to Bridger Teton National Forest. We are 50 miles south of Jackson, Wyoming. The ultimate destination for snowboarding, if you ask me. But then again, I've never been to Canada, wherever the Olympics were this last couple of years, the Winter Olympics. I've never been to Big Sky. But Jackson Hole is where a bunch of gold medal Olympians are born. So we are in the Tetons. Either that or we're still approaching the Tetons, I don't know. We will be driving west of Grand Teton. I don't know what the landscape is going to be like to allow a view or block a view. Excuse me. Oh Lord. Well, my view just went away. And now we're going to just look at horses. I'm sure there's something beautiful coming up. Or like, this is already pretty beautiful. All the small towns I'm driving through, everybody's out and about. They're driving their four-wheelers on the streets, or like those buggies that look like a four-wheeler, but it's like a two-passenger or four-passenger. So everybody's got their ATVs out. Everybody's enjoying their fall because it's like their last chance to be outdoors without every square inch of skin covered. Okay, we'll catch up in a second.